Hello, my art learners! Happy to see you back. Today's lesson is our third, which is my lucky number. So we're gonna do a very special one today. Glad you're here. Let's get to the yellow table. Scratch away mandala. You are going to need 5 items today, so get ready for your scavenger hunt. Here are your 5 items. Number 1, a paper plate. Number 2, black paint. Any type will do, but acrylic paint will probably work best. That's what worked for me. Number 3, a paintbrush. Any size will do, but the bigger the better, unless it's like a 4-inch paintbrush that might be a little excessive. Number 4 is crayons. We are going to need all colors of the rainbow. And last but not least, number 5 is a toothpick or something pokey. Please, parents, be aware. We don't want any eyes falling out. Today we are going to be making scratch away mandalas. Now, if you don't know what a mandala is, the Egyptians from ancient times designed the mandala straight from a circle to represent peace. And I really want to spend some time bringing some peace and quiet and focus back into your household during this lockdown. Let's get started. So I've got my crayons here. I have all my colors that I need. We are going to start with purple, okay? We're going to start at the outer part of our paper plate. So you're going to color just about 1/2 inch all the way around. It's really easy because the paper plate border, I use that word a lot, don't I? We're gonna use the border as our ridge to keep us from going up. That's how it looks. Okay, next in our rainbow is blue. So try to do the same size. Outside, circular, tracing the purple. Keep going and going. It was raining outside today and we saw a rainbow, so we thought of doing this project. Pretty cool. All right, remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Please practice the art of non-attachment, because even over here, I can see that this part of blue is much smaller than this part of blue. So it's all gonna be fine. Next is green. I like this green, it's very bright. Let's go. Same amount if you can. It looks like my blue ended up being almost 1 inch thick, so maybe my green should be almost 1 inch thick too. We'll see how it looks. Keep going and going. Okay, next up is yellow. Okay, then we have orange. It's okay to go over the color before, it's not gonna hurt it. Okay, maybe a little more orange right here. All right, and last up is red. Fill your center circle with red. There we go. Okay, that should be good. Get a little bit of black paint on your paper plate and take your paintbrush and just cover the whole thing evenly. You don't want too much paint on there. Just enough to have one thin layer right on top of your beautiful rainbow, but don't worry, you'll see it again real soon. You can hold on the outside of your paper plate to get all the edges evenly. Now it looks like a black plate. Voila. Voila. I always have paint on me, so I'm not judging you. Now you gotta let it dry. Ha! Maybe your mom is feeling a little hot and you just fan her. Or maybe you could pretend your food's too hot. But regardless, it's gonna take a minute or two. All right, get that toothpick. We're getting started on our mandala design. You're gonna need to do your best to find your center. If you need to, you can fold it and fold it again in half, trying to see where in the center it's landing. Now, try your best not to scratch in places that you don't want your design to be. This is also a moment to be a little extra creative. You don't have to follow my design. You don't even have to make a mandala necessarily. You're just using the scratch away design of your rainbow. You can do a cool design with your name. You can draw a rocket ship. Whatever you want to draw is okay with me, but I'm going to show you how to make a mandala. Just in case you need that symbol of peace in your household. Here it is, the mandala. All right. You find that center and find your inner center. And we're going to make one small circle. You can see your red. That means you're in the right spot, okay? Then immediately I'm gonna make another circle right around it. Cool, cool. You can already see that it's not the same as the first design, and that's because, well, I'm not looking right at it. And mandalas are usually all unique. Because it's so intricate, it's hard to keep them all the same. So I'm making a flower. I used the compass as my inspiration here. North, south, east, west. Okay, since I made a dot right there, I'm gonna make a dot in all of them so that it looks symmetrical. Then we're gonna go, what is this to you? Southeast, maybe? And then what is that? Northwest? I could do clocks too. But the idea is to just make your petals in the same spot on the opposite side. All right. Then we just keep going. I'm gonna fill this whole area with one flower. So we're just going to do U shapes right behind each flower, or behind each petal, that's the word. And right here, right here, and right here. Cool. Then I'm going to make dots on every single petal. First layer completed. Okay, now I didn't put this on the scavenger hunt, but I grabbed a circle shape so that I can trace it. I put it right above my flower. Now you're gonna hold your circle item very still as you trace the outline of it. I don't think mine's coming out perfect, so I don't judge you if yours has any little errors on them. Those are happy little accidents in Bob Ross's words. So here we go. We got our circle there. Now I'm going to make more petal shapes. I'm going to do it in opposite
sides to keep it as symmetrical as possible. They're equal. And then I'm going to make more equal right across from each other. Okay, right here, right here. We put in the center. Let's think, how about maybe a little flower? So I'm gonna do a little circle. 1, 2, 3 petals. Circle. 1, 2, 3 petals in every single opening. Voila. Okay. Then I think these petals need a little something something, so I'm gonna do a little layer like this. Just tracing the inside with a little cross. I can see the size difference of these as I do this, but I'm practicing my art of non-attachment by saying it's okay that it's not perfect. Besides, if we are making these mistakes on this one, the next time we do it, it will come out even better. Alrighty, look at that. I like it. Alrighty, now we're doing just one petal over the flowers. Bring a little more symmetricality into the design. I'm starting to see my blue and my purple show up. All right, this one looks a little sad, but we'll start here with, we're gonna do little bumpies. All the way. Let's add just a little circle or oval, however, what kind of shape it comes out. They were going to be circles, but now it looks like they look better as ovals. That's okay. They keep getting more ovally. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm gonna turn them into little flowers themselves. That's what we're gonna do. Just go with the flow, people. That one looks a little weird. There we go. There's my circle, buddy. Hi, buddy. Now you're a flower. All right. What do you think? I kind of like it. I think it's pretty great. I hope that brings a little bit of peace into your household. Happy Mandala Tuesday. Happy Rainbow Day. I'm hoping that you're doing as amazing as I am. Catch you later. Okay, so this was my first one, and this is my second one. I think that I might like my first one better, but I also really like that one. Which one do you guys like better? Hit me up in the comments.